Welcome Kakaiba TV. Another sharing old coins from Soviet Union, Russia. 1 ruble. Composition nickel brass. 12.8 grams. Diameter 31 millimeter. Thickness 2.4 millimeter. Shape round. Orientation middle alignment. Commemorative issue 100th anniversary of the birth of Vladimir Lenin. Verse. The coat of arms of the Soviet Union. Value. Script. Cyrillic. Translation 100 years since the birth of Vladimir Lenin. USSR 1 ruble. Reverse. Lenin head. Headrights and date 1870 to 1970. Thank you to all subscribers and viewers. Muchas gracias. Muito obrigado. Gashi. Merci. Danki. Domo arigato. Shukran, salamat po.